When it comes to managing your business finances, one of the most important features you'll look for is bill payment options. But which of the two popular accounting platforms, QuickBooks or Wave, offers the better experience? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which one comes out on top for bill payments, and I'll even introduce you to a better alternative. Let's jump straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that both QuickBooks and Wave offer bill payment features, but they cater to different types of businesses. QuickBooks, being a more robust accounting tool, offers a wide range of bill payment capabilities, including the ability to schedule and pay bills directly from the platform. This can save you time if you're managing multiple payments in a given month. However, QuickBooks does charge for its bill payment services, and the fees can add up, especially for smaller businesses. Next thing to consider is the ease of use. Wave, on the other hand, is completely free to use and offers bill payment options too. You can create, track, and pay bills, but the process isn't as seamless as QuickBooks. For instance, while you can link your bank account, Wave doesn't yet support automatic bill payments. It's a more manual approach compared to QuickBooks, which can be a deal breaker for busy entrepreneurs looking for more automation. The third thing we need to look at is customer support. QuickBooks definitely has the edge here with its dedicated customer service, available 24/7. This is a huge plus if you're someone who runs into issues while managing payments. Wave, on the other hand, has more limited support options. They rely heavily on their online help center, and while it's informative, it's not as immediate or comprehensive as QuickBooks Live support. The fourth thing is the cost. Wave wins here, hands down. Unlike QuickBooks, which has a subscription fee starting around $25 per month, Wave's bill payment feature is free, at least for the basics. However, this doesn't necessarily make Wave the winner, since the feature set is more limited, and you get what you pay for. Finally, we have integrations. QuickBooks integrates with many third-party apps, which makes it a great option if you're managing a larger business or need more flexibility. Wave, however, doesn't offer as many integration options, which can be a downside if you're looking for more complex bill payment workflows or automations. Now, both QuickBooks and Wave are solid platforms, but after testing them out myself, I can tell you that neither is perfect if you're specifically looking for an all-in-one solution with superior bill payment features. If you want a better alternative, check out the free trial through the first link in the description. With this link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to my viewers.